Want to crush Walmart in 2025? Helium 10 is your unfair advantage. And the first thing you can do with Helium 10 is you can actually see how much competitors are making per month on Walmart. So if we were selling a robot vacuum, which is a huge product on Amazon, we can use Xray, and it's going to tell us how much monthly revenue they're making on Walmart. So if we wanted to sell this product, or if we are already selling this product, how much money we should be making. So it's going to show us the product details, the brand name, the product ID, UPC code, the price, and you can see the revenue right here. This one's making $200,000 a month, and it's this little robot vacuum. So we can open that up and actually double check it. For $200,000 a month is pretty crazy. So really nice. And it's actually sold by a third party. This isn't actually sold by Walmart. It's sold by this pro seller, Onsan Official, and they are having a great day making tons of money on Walmart. So it's possible for anybody. Super short title. Pictures are pretty nice. You can even view it in 3D right here. So they are doing all of everything you can to generate as much sales as you can. Look at the product details. Product details uses HTML. So again, very, very nice. You can utilize these tools. Now, the second thing that we can do with Helium 10 is get their item ID. Here's their item ID, right? It's like at the end right here. And we can actually see what keywords they're ranking for on Walmart. So if we wanted to resell this product, or we had a product that's a vacuum cleaner, we can go to Helium 10. So there's a link right in the description to sign up for Helium 10 for free and a discount. But once you log into Helium 10, you're going to go to Tools, Cerebro, and we can actually see what keywords they're using. This way, if we launch a product similar to theirs, we can find all of the backend keywords, what people are typing in to find their product, take those keywords so we can at least get a cut of the pie of their $200,000 a month. So I put in their item ID. We can see their keywords right here. And you can see they're also running sponsored ads. So they're running Walmart ads as well. So that way you know that. Next, we're going to filter it by the search trend score. 100 is like a perfect score. These are like really good keywords that Walmart likes. And the first one is robot vacuum and mop. So if you're selling a vacuum, if it can mop as well, people love that. Walmart loves that. It's going to help you get a larger search volume. You can see there's search volume for these are crazy. Robot vacuum. This one looks like it's Spanish, so this might be a good backend keyword or one to just throw in your description to help you rank. That's crazy. So again, you would have never known this unless you were actually utilizing this tool. Okay, so again, that's the second tool. A lot of crazy keywords. I mean, you can see the Spanish keywords right now, which is insane. I didn't know that. But now, what you can also do is we are looking at the competitors' keywords, but now we can look at other keywords that Helium 10 recommends we use for our listing. So we can type in robot vacuum and mop, take this, we can go to tools and go to a keyword research tool called Magnet. We're going to enter this keyword, click get keywords, and what Magnet does is it finds high volume search terms that are relevant to your entered keyword. So we can find other keywords pretty much that are relevant. We don't want to just steal all of our competitors' keywords. We also want to make ours unique. So again, what we're going to do is look at the trend score, put this at the top, and we got vacuum, robot, and mop again. But we got robot vacuum, Shark robot vacuum. So again, Shark, it looks like this is a big brand name on Walmart. This would be a good keyword to run Walmart ads for because you can't steal somebody's trademark, but you can run ads for it. So again, this is a good one. This might be another robot mop. Craveable combos. I don't know what that is, but we could look more into that. Shark Matrix Plus. Robot vacuum cleaners. Instead of vacuum robot, adding the word cleaners in is also another big one. Shark Matrix. So you can go through these and find more keywords. Automatic vacuum is what people are typing in on Walmart. Auto vacuum robot. So there's a lot of different keywords. Robot vacuum and mop combo. RoboVac. instead of robotic vacuum cleaner. So again, a lot of different things that you can look for this, and these are what makes Helium 10 stand out, because right now there's almost no Walmart tools, and this is how you get ahead. The last thing is going to be profits. So they do have a profit tool here. You can put in your cost of goods, and you can actually see how much money you're making on Walmart. Another thing that sellers need is to see, what are the fees that Walmart's charging? Are there any hidden fees? And this pulls all the data from your Walmart account. You plug in the cost of goods, and it actually gives you the ROI. So you can make sure you are making money on Walmart. So all in all, Helium 10 ensures that what are your competitors actually making per month? So you can see what keywords are the best, what other keywords that are high ranking on Walmart could you use for your listing, and ensure you're making profit. So some pretty good tools here, and I'm sure they're going to expand the list. Again, the link is right in the description, but that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end or optimizing your listings. We'll do it for you to help you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.